my name is Susie Edenson. I'm a mechanical engineering major from St. Louis, Missouri, and welcome to the Student Union. The Chapman Student Union is located in the heart of campus. It's a central hub for students who want to eat, study, and socialize. The Union has a variety of restaurants in its food court. All options are popular, but not every campus can say it has its very own Chick-fil-A. Not everyone knows that TU also has a sports bar and grill in the Union. The Hurricane Hut is open every evening on the weekends, and it's a great spot to watch football, grab a bite to eat, and if you're 21, indulge in a cold beer. The Student Union is also home to the campus post office, a convenience store, and the Center for Global Education. But my favorite part of the Union has to be the fire pits. Students can get together with friends to hang out, take a study break, or participate in student organization events. So that's the tour of the Chapman Student Union. I hope to see you on campus so I can show you around. Until then, reign cane.